All right, happy homeowners, here we are, about an hour into trying to save this old floor. So let me turn you around and show you what we got. So now these areas where they filled in with the concrete, they did it right and they did it wrong. One, you should never fill it in with concrete. If you are, they use this little screen back so it grabs the concrete. A lot of areas where they've screwed down the floor, and we've had to pull the screws out. We've got big staples everywhere. Emilio got all this up, particle board, so we'll fill this in. And you don't see it right now, but once we've sanded it, you're going to see it. This is a walnut feature strip that goes around. That's really going to stand out and look beautiful. So we've got that. We're back here. Same thing. Check this out. That's all the screws so far, and we haven't even started. Again, they put that crazy web in, which is the right way to do it if you're going to put, because if not, the concrete would just break off. So they did it the right way, but you shouldn't be putting that on wood flooring. And then here, this is the nightmare. We've got some crazy rock paper that we're just sanding this off. You would not be able to do this with the Home Depot sander that you can rent. So this crazy, it's almost like just a 16 grit, 20 grit rock paper, and we're scratching through layers and layers of paint, linoleum. You can see how thick it is right here. It's just not sure, but so we're getting there. We're going to save it. It may kill me, but we're going to save it. Stick around.